trucks there. Gary Evans. Someone dig Gary out, please. Okay, now we track the section. I found it very difficult because it was such a difficult job. When Paddy, radio contact with the PA Barry Chatty. Well, they brought all those tractors over on a load and they're beautiful. Alright, the best restored vintage car was 24. Restored on the 20 years. We got somebody? Yes. Yes, lubricant. The only one, but it's a lovely restoration. That's the Bakers that we restored.